Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Mike. So today, we're gonna unbox the Andoer W360 portable LED. So, itong light na to, kinuha natin for our new hobby. Itong bago nating hobby, mag video and mag photo ng mga stuff. So, we got a new camera. And itong light na to, yung purpose nito is for our indoor. So, itong small environment na to. Para sa small setup natin, para makapag-unbox tayo ng maganda and maayos. So, today, binili natin to sa Lazada at around, I think, 1,800 pesos. Imagine, 1,800 pesos for this light. I think it's not a bad deal. So, here are the specs. Ang specs niya ay, I forgot about it. So I'll just list down the specs and let's open it. Okay, so opening it. Now, front of the box, it doesn't say Andoer on any part of the box. Back of the box, still no Andoer. Yeah, it says made in China. This is what's inside. You can see. So this is the light. I think this is the charger and the batteries and shoe mount, cold shoe mount, and then the stand. So we're gonna open it now. So first, we got the light. So this is the light. It's an LED panel. So ito siya. Mukhang okay naman. Build quality, I think it's around 7 out of 10. So we also got this diffuser, I think. May mga scratches siya. May mga maliliit na scratches right here. There's small scratches there. So I think we put this on top like this. There. Something like that. So, next we got the cold shoe mount. So, etong cold shoe mount, pwede mo siyang ikabit. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, pwede mo siyang ikabit sa small rig mo or sa cellphone. Kung meron kang small rig bracket for your phone, you can put this on, but this is too big for the phone. So, I think this is best for like small cameras, APS-C mirrorless cameras, something like that. Or you can also use this for DSLRs or like yung mga full frame mirrorless cameras. So here's basically it. You got the stand, you got the shoe mount, and you got the light. And inside the box, we also got the charger. So this is it. Open it. Plastic. Yeah, there it is. So the charger is really, you get what you pay for. Imagine 1,700. Don't ask for too much. This is, I think it does the job well, but I haven't tried it. So build quality, it's around, let's say 6 out of 10. And the last one is the batteries. These are NPF, let me see. Oh yeah, NPF 550 to 570. So this is a really small battery. I think it will last around, sabihin natin, mga 30 minutes to 1 hour max. Here at the back, you can plug it here. See? Like this. It's a little bit hard. There. Makakarinig ka ng clicking sound kapag alam mong okay na. So, at the side, meron tayong temperature control here. And USB for charging and such. Meron tayong power button and another temperature control. So, here's the Andoer W360. Ayan siya. When it's fully assembled. Now, we're gonna test it kung gaano ba kalakas tong very small and very compact and very cheap, affordable LED light natin. So, let's start. Open it right over here. There. As you can see, it's friggin' bright. Sobrang liwanag niya, guys. And you can control the temperature if you want it warm or if you want it cold. Okay? There. This is the knob below. I mean, this one below. It controls the power, kung gaano kalakas, okay? And here on top, it controls the temperature of the light, okay? So I think this is a good buy para sa mga nagsistart katulad ko. Maganda na siya pang simula para sa mga outdoor, indoor small setups. So ayun ang verdict natin. Siguro build quality wise, we're gonna rate it around 7 out of 10. Pero kung yung value for money, I think sobrang solid kasi sobrang mura lang niya and makukuha mo yung function na kailangan mo. Okay guys, so test natin siya kung gaano ba siya kalakas and papatayin natin lahat ng ilaw. Tignan natin kung may malaking difference ba yung light na to at saka yung walang light. Okay? So, let's test it now. So yun guys, what I think about this is very sulit. If you're new in photography or gusto mo ng magandang vlog and pansin mo paraging madilim sa kwarto mo, I suggest you get something like this. It doesn't necessarily need to be Andoer, but you know, a small light, any light can help when it comes to dark places like my room. So ayun, I hope you like it. And next time, magre-review naman tayo ng mga iba pang equipments para sa mga starter na katulad ko. And ayun, I hope you like it. Please do like, share, subscribe, and bye!